Hello students, good morning. Today we shall study in civics in class 7. Chapter is Institutional Representation of Democracy. In this chapter we shall discuss about election, the process of election in India. We shall also discuss election commission, also discuss political party, national party, regional party and coalition government, because we see that nowadays before Modi government there was the tradition become of coalition government. So we shall discuss first what is election. Election is a process in which people vote to choose a person or group of persons to hold an official position. For example, you see for general election, people vote to elect, to represent themselves for MP, Member of Parliament, and also they vote for the state legislative assemblies and they elect MLAs for the legislative assemblies. As you know that election is free and fair in our country, although you must know that the first incident of booth capturing in India was in Begusarai at Rasiyahi in 1957. Nevertheless, nowadays we see that our election commission who hold the election in India, they determined to have a free and fair election. Now there are levels of elections, many levels of elections in India. First, general election. It means that in every 5 years there is the provision of election in India. It is called general election, which comes after each and every 5 years. It is the routine of our election commission. And second is a state assembly election. It is also held in 5 years in each and every state of the country. Now local body elections, it is held in India as municipalities, corporations and local bodies, Gram Panchayats. Now we shall discuss what is the process of elections in India. First, there is the announcement of election dates. Second, selection of candidates. Third, filling the nomination papers. Fourth, allotment of symbols given by the election commission. 5, issuing of election manifesto. Manifesto means each and every party gives its manifesto, their programs, their policies, that what the party will do after winning the election. Now, number 6 is campaigning. Campaigning means political parties try to their optimum to win the election. So there are many political parties contesting an election to win the election. Last, voting. There is voting and declaration of results. In this way we see that in our country the election commission tries to free and fair election. They also are free. There is no control of executive, legislative or parliament. The election commission of India is the most powerful election commission in the world. Again, we see that political parties are the soul of democracy. If no political parties, there will be no democratic country. You see that in India there are many national parties, regional political parties. National parties are included in BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, Congress Party, Communist Party, Communist Party, CPI. CPI means Communist Party of India. CPIM, Communist Party of India, Marxist. It means that there are about 6 national parties in India, and there are also regional parties like Bahujan Samajwadi Party in UP, and also you see that Akali Dal in Punjab, Shiv Sena in Maharashtra, and others in South India, Anna Dravid Munnetra Kazhagam, which was founded by Sri Ramchandran, Jayalalitha, etc. Now we shall discuss what are the function of political parties. Political parties are important in democracy. They contest election, they try to win the election, they make public opinion, so they are very important in the democracy. Now we shall discuss about the coalition government, because before Modi government there was coalition government at the central level, and also in a state level we have today also many coalition government. Coalition government means when any political party has no majority, then they form the government with the help of other parties. It is called coalition party. It has also advantage and disadvantage. Its advantage is that this party has wide range of public opinion. They also have political consensus, but it has the greatest weakness is that they are not taking quick decision. So these political coalition government are not functioning so powerfully as we see in Modi government. Thank you. For the next time we shall discuss other topics.